Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all good. Welcome to the daily current affairs. The first news is Mahesh Kumar Jain reappointed as the deputy governor of the Reserve Bank of India. He gets the 2 years extension period from June 22nd. And the other three serving deputy governors of RBI are Michael Patra, M Rajeshwar Rao and T Ravi Shankar. Next one, Ferrari appointed Benedetto Vigna as its new chief executive officer. The former CEO of Ferrari is John Elkann. Recently, we have also seen the change of the Amazon CEO. New Amazon CEO is Andy Jassy, and the former is Jeff Bezos. Next one, England Football Association appointed Debbie Hewitt as the first chairwoman. She is the first woman who chaired the England Football Association. Next one, C.S. Ghosh reappointed as the MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank. The headquarters of the Bandhan Bank is located at Kolkata, West Bengal. Next news, Pranvayu Devta Pension Scheme and Oxyvan, which is Oxygen Forest, are the two initiatives launched by the Haryana government. In this Pranvayu Devta Pension Scheme means to give the honor to all the trees which are above the age of 25 years for serving the humanity from these many years. And the village panchayats are now given of 2500 rupees per tree every year. And these trees are protected by the local area bodies. Another one, Oxyvan, Oxygen Forests, means identifying the place of lands and planting the new trees in the in the empty area is Oxygen Forest. These initiatives are launched by the Haryana government to overcome the recent pandemic, which is from the shortage of the oxygen. Next one, our education ministry, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, created a accessible digital books, e-content for specially aided children. Here, in this curriculum, it included as accessible digital textbooks for all the children and the supplementary learning material and sign language videos. And the constituency of Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is Haridwar. Next one, Niti Aayog launched the Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan. It is launched to provide home care support to the COVID patients. And the Niti Aayog is a think tank of India. Full form of Niti Aayog is National Institute of Transforming India. Next one. Now Indian Navy will receive MH-60 Romeo multi-role helicopters from the USA. For as now, 3 of the helicopters are received from USA. There are of total 24. It is a project of 15,157 crore, which is signed in February 2020. Next one, the 31st edition of India Thailand Corpat, which is Coordinated Patrol, will be held from June 9th to 11th. In the in this Corpat, Indian Navy and the Royal Thai Navy are participating. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok and the currency is Thai baht. Here the chief of Indian Navy is Admiral Karambir Singh. Next one, Dehing Patkai becomes Assam's seventh national park. Recently, we have also seen the Raimona becomes the Assam's sixth national park. These Raimona and Dehing Patkai are the newest Assam's national parks, which is included now. The CM of Assam is Himanta Biswa Sharma and the governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Next one. El Salvador became the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. The capital city of El Salvador is San Salvador and the currency is US dollars. Next one. Dinku Singh Nagnom is an international boxer recently passed away due to cancer. He is from Manipur and he also received Padma Shri and Arjuna awards. Next one. Shivkumar Udasi, who is the senior leader of BJP in Karnataka, passed away at 54 age. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong. Be home and be healthy.